What's up, bakers? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these flounder character macarons to go along with all of the Ariel and Ursulas that we made. Go ahead, start with putting all of your dry ingredients in your bowl, and we are going to macaronage. So swipe your spatula around your bowl 2 times, cut through the middle. You're going to be adding your color. I'm going to fast forward this part just because I have so many other videos that show you how to macaronage. So yeah, go ahead and add in your yellow color. We're going to split our batter as we always do, and we're going to add the blue, light blue, and the yellow for flounder. For my colors, I'm using the Sugar Arts Master Elite Sunshine, and I use sapphire blue. For his blue fins, I just put a little bit more of sapphire blue to make the darker blue, and then a little less to make the lighter blue for his fins. Go ahead and mix up all 3 of your colors and get them set in a piping bag, ready to pipe him out. And normally for my characters, I don't use piping tips, but Flounder is a perfect circle, so I did use my piping tip. I believe it's a Wilton number 12 round tip. Just look at that yellow, how vibrant it is. I just love the Sugar Arts colors. Go ahead and just pipe a normal circle. I have my template underneath. Then, I mean, this video is pretty easy. Flounder, he was a pretty easy macaron to make because he's a normal circle shape, and then he just has his 2 little fins. For the blue fins, again, just follow your template as best as you can. It's really important to have a template because it's, for me anyways, I am not good at freehanding things like this. I have tried and they just never come out what you imagined they should look like. So it's always really good to make a template for yourself. In here, you'll see me try to make the stripes. There's a light blue stripe and then a dark blue stripe in the middle and then a light blue stripe. And I tried that at first and I didn't like the way it looked. So then I'll come back in and I'll just follow the fin completely and then go back in later with a darker stripe in the middle. That way, the way I'm piping it right now worked out better for me. Here for his little fin at the top of his head, I flip my tray upside down and I pipe that along the top. Now for his little nose area, he looks like it's a little bit oval, so instead of doing a perfect circle like you would for a teddy bear, I kind of just made it as oval as I could. So I just kind of made a circle and then I dragged it on both ends. Go ahead and do that to each one, and you will see he's starting to look more and more like Flounder. He's so cute. And guys, always remember, every time you pipe a new color or anything like that, you're gonna want to keep tapping your trays to get all those air bubbles out. Go ahead and get a black edible marker and a green one, and his smile line is kind of in a weird spot, so it's like pretty much right underneath where that raised area is for his nose area. I put little smile lines in there, and then I do his eyebrows and I outline his eyes with a black edible marker. But in my template they're actually green, but they are outlined with a darker color, so I come in there with a green edible marker and I color in his eyes with that. And then later you're going to see me go in with a pink edible dust color where I put on his cheeks right under his eyes. And that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to let your macarons rest for a full 1 hour and cook them at 300 Fahrenheit for 14 minutes and you're all set. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be the last of my Little Mermaid series. I'm going to move on to probably Disney villains next because I love Disney villains. I can only imagine how cute a Cruella de Vil macaron would be. So that is probably what's going to be coming up next. Go ahead and make sure that you guys click subscribe and you hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And happy baking!